So a few minutes prior to European cash market open, we held resistance initially here at day's open price and at 10,100. Then we sold off down and filled the gap, immediately rallied, but now held resistance here at yesterday's high. Let's see if we have any scenario like this, and then this could be a good short opportunity for a retest down to 10,000 or a retest here at previous low of the day. Another scenario will be price to break out this 10,100 hole above and then try to rally higher up to 10,200. My initial trade will be to short it up here for a possible move further downside. Let's see, but again this can consolidate here and go to the upside. We'll see. Price is actually flashed down here at the open and then rallied back above. I bought it here. Let's see if we have further move to the upside. If this settle high hold support, then we have a move up to 200s. So price managed to rally up to 60s, 160s. I closed my trade here for 59 points. Let's see now if this short will prove to be the case and we have a retest of down 10,100 or how this will play out. Very nice trade, flash down move 50 points or so. Let's see if we have any reason for that. I mean any news reason. Very nice flash down move. I closed the position just here. I could have bought this 100 for immediately reversal. I didn't though. Let's see how this will trade and if we collapse further downside. So price managed to hold support here at cash open flash down move. Now broke out day's open price and European cash open price. Let's see how far up can this go. I bought here and let's see if it managed to go up to 50s or even higher. Very nice rally so far. I'm just trailing the stop here behind this move. Let's see if we have flash up move here to break out to new high and if we hold above 50s for further upside. So you can see here how I traded so far. I shorted here pre-cash open and worked until a gap, but then I left it for further downside and I just closed it to break even. Then kind of chopping here, but after this kind of breakout 51 points, then I shorted here and immediately flashed down 49 points. I closed it just about 100 level. Then held support here. I was kind of expecting further downside here, that's why I was shorting, but then things changed and you need to change this immediately, be nimble as well. Now I bought here for this kind of breakout, held support here at previous high and this is very important level. I sold it for a 41 points move up here. Let's see if this 50s can hold or if we have further upside or if it's just going to just consolidate below like we failed to hold here. I think that this will have further upside, but let's see when this will happen. So price managed to fade this move and sell back below. Let's see now if we have any kind of this kind of formation right here and we have further upside. So now the more time price spends between 22s and 64s, the higher probability will go further upside. We have 76% chances for this, so let's see. So price managed to break down this kind of range here, 122s to 164s. Now we have a different setup. I shorted here against the highs and I moved my stop to break even to scratch. Let's see if we go down and retest 10,081s. Now it trades at this day's open price. Let's see if we have any support here. I'm willing to hold this position for lower, let's say, but let's see. I might trail the stop above here and let the rest for going more downside. Let's see if we broke down 100s and we consolidated below and then we go further downside. So I sorted right here for this kind of breakdown, and it did broke down. Now we're at the initial balance high low of the day. So let's see if this can hold or just trade below, and then we have further downside. If you would like to see into perspective here, we failed to hold at the moment and support above this very important level from the December low, 14th of December low. Let's see now if this could prove to be a good short until 10,000 initially, or even further downside. If this closes below, much below today, this could be possible, but let's see during the day. Price sold off here a good 40 points or so. Found support here where earlier in the European, before the European cash open, we had support and immediately rally. Let's see how long this support will hold, and if we have this kind of pattern and then we move further for a new low for the day, or if this is just going to rally all the way up to 100s. So price held so far this previous low right here, kind of chopped out above and below. Now above broke out this kind of initial balance low. Let's see if this is just a failure and we have further downside, or is it just going to hold and we have a move higher to 100 or even higher. So price managed to rally all the way up here with support at the initial balance low, and just to the tick my position, didn't close it. Let's see if we have further downside and we retest this kind of lows or even lower down to 10,000. So here we are once again here at this level. Let's see how further can this go, or if it's just going to hold, but the more time is being tested, the higher probability will go further downside. So we have again a support here, rally above initial balance low, support, retest, and then rally. Let's see now if this can go up to retest either 100 for days open price. So let's see here what you have to deal with when you're trading. I sorted here and worked for a good 44 points, but instead of closing here, I waited. This is where kind of ticked on my entry. Then I waited for this to break down. It didn't break down, so I closed it for -7 instead of closing it for 44 points profit. Now I sorted here at this price right here. So let's see how further down can this go. So one more time I sorted here like this previous, which returned all the way back to me. Let's see if we have a kind of, let's say, fourth time retest here and see if it holds. If it doesn't, then we will see a 10k retest, but at the moment very strong support here. Let's see which way it will go from here. So I closed my trade here for a 43 points profit. Let's see, probably will go lower. I might close it early, but again better close it early rather than late. This was my initial plans to hold it. Yeah, let's look at it now. This is a joke. I was waiting the whole day for this kind of breakdown here, and now it broke down and I closed it 20 points early. So let's see how further down can this go. So price managed to sell back down almost 10,000 level. Let's see how it will behave here. It held support close but above. When we see this kind of price action, we can expect further downside. Let's see how it will go, and if it will find any kind of support here at 63s. Very important level from previous days. You can see this one right here. So let's see. So price sold off here. Let's see if it goes further downside. Likely to go. Let's see here the daily chart. If you rewind the video and go back to see early in this video, I was talking about if this fails, then this could be a good short opportunity for a 10,000 retest or even lower. Let's see where we will close today. Crude oil inventories in 20 minutes. It could be important, but I think this is go further downside. Let's see. So price flashed down below 10,000 as I was saying earlier. When you see support close but above an intraday psychological level, then you probably will see further downside. I just bought here for the flash up move. I was expecting this to go to retest 10,000, 10 points profit. I missed this whole move. I missed almost, I don't know, double the move or so. 35 points, but I took 10 points there, so let's see how further downside this will go. Let's see here what happened now at the US session. We have 100% exactly move from its average range, so that means we can see some kind of support here combined with the volume spike. But if we go further downside, in order to go down to 150% from its average price, let's see the statistics. We have 11% chance and 2% chance to go further down below 900 here at 855. So we can expect some kind of support here. Let's see if we have any kind of V bottom here. Of course, crude oil inventories will kind of set the tone for more downside or more upside. But let's see. Again, we have the probabilities now. The further downside is the most unlikely to happen, so let's see, perhaps it can go down to here. Another measure move is this kind of move when price spends this at this zone. Then we have this 100 average price. This is already being more than this, and in order to be 150 and 200%, we have almost 70% chances and 4% chances for this to happen. So let's see. As you can see here on the minute, that's why I bought earlier here. We can see support. Let's see if we have a breakout of 10,000 and build support above, and then we have further upside. Flash move to the downside here. Let's see how further downside can this go and if this flash will be bought. So we flashed down a good 60 points or so here from 10,000 initial flash up move. I wasn't able to short this, but I did bought here. So let's see if we have any kind of retest up to 10,000. So price here consolidating below this very important level. This is initial balance high from this session. I think it was Monday. Let's see now how further down can this go. If it's going to retest 900s. Very nice decline today after this retest here at day's open price. Straight down move. Of course, crude oil helped. Let's see how further downside can this go. So price now tested its previous low here, kind of double bottom with volume spike enough to sustain a move to the upside. Let's see how far can this be. If this fails, of course, will go down to 900 or even lower. Let's see if we have any kind of rally above these 63s and retest of 10,000. So here we are a few minutes to the European cash market close. Let's see how we traded. We sold off straight down here the US on 138 points or so. This average move here from point of control of initial balance went down to 150 points and almost 150%, which is almost 11% chances. Then, as you can see here, if you shorted right here, then you need to scale out during this downturn, because the probabilities of going further downside, as I said, show you earlier, is less than 10%. Especially this one is 4%. So this is good for trading management. Let's see now where this will go. We have a sell-off from 10,900 down almost 10,000, below 10,000 down almost 900. So let's see where this will go. It will depend here tomorrow and the rest of the week. So thanks for watching.